And today we have the ASUS Prime RTX 5080 graphics card. Let's unbox this. Starting off with the little box. So we have got our warranty card, we have a thank you card, we have the quick start guide, and we have a card which shows us that we should ensure that the 16-pin connector is fully secured. We have a Velcro cable tie. This is obviously once you've done your cabling to put it nice and neat, just like that. Then we have got the 16-pin connector, which obviously adapts from your standard PCIe connectors. Now for the GPU. And this card doesn't feature any ARGB, it's just flat out what you see is what you get, and it does look very clean. Now, starting up over here, we have got that 16-pin connector. If we were to look over here, we have got our P and Q modes, one being performance and the other being quiet. Over here, we are looking at one HDMI, and then we have got 3 display ports, your standard X16 slot. I'm going to be running some benchmarks on this card. Ensure that you have liked this video and are subscribed to get those updates.